How to set Chrome as default browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. And once you're there, navigate to the choose default apps option. Then click on browser app, and here you want to select Google Chrome browser. And once you do that, you have to set the Chrome as a default browser. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make Google Chrome and set it as a default browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next